Okay, let's see here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. And I think that, where did I leave off? I think the roof plan. I think that I have all of the roof, 1, 2, 3, 8. Okay, and let's go down to the first level waste. Large, I think that's the one I want. Yeah, okay. And I think I put text on these guys. Let's make sure that tag by category. Yeah, okay. Let's look at these, man. Text is just, maybe I'm not using the right technique on the text. Oh, I know what's going on. I think I need to turn off the freeform or whatever it's called over here. Attached in. I want the free in. So free in. There, here, click again, click one time. Yeah, okay. And let's do the same. Just want to make sure that we got free in. Yeah, okay. Here. Okay, because from here the roof drain is counting up the square footage that it can handle on the roof plan. So let's see, it's the second from the right, huh? Let's go here. So I think it's down here. What was it, 1200? 1200, yeah. Okay, so we go back and it should say 1200 here. Yes. 1200, that's the roof drain. I don't know why I did that, and I don't want to do that. So yeah, so it looks like everything is in place for the time being. For the roof drain, nope. Can I do that? Man, okay. So, and let's go back to, those are my vents, and these are reference planes. I don't know what those are, but let's see. Anyway, I'm not going to do that. The reason, see, that's that, and so first floor overall, second level overall, and roof plan. I'm gonna not show the roof plan, and the large, let's not show that either. So this is second level, and it's showing the roof drain or storm drain. Okay. So, and the first level, let's see, I finished that, and it's showing the storm drain coming out on the ground level. Okay, that looks good. The last thing I want to do is make sure that everything is being counted. So the roof drains, okay. So I need to go to, I think, let's go to pipes only in the 3D. I'm thinking about doing a riser diagram, but man, that's going to be tough. Riser diagrams are tough to do, because usually it's just a one-dimensional on your page. It would be tough to do a, let's see. Yeah, that's not a riser diagram. Okay, let's go back, because I want to count up my my fixture units and make sure that they are in the schedule. That's the vent. These are going to be my vent fixture units. Let's see, where are we? Okay, so it's 118 here, and that's my vent. And we're looking here, and left click and click again. 23. I think I'm gonna minimize this. Okay, so that's 23. Let's go over, make sure that it is counting. 26 fixture units. 21 fixture units. And that's a 2-inch, yeah. And 16 fixture units. And for my waste, everything is being collected and it is draining to the left. And I think that's the end of it. Let's see. Okay, 204. So vent, my waste. Let's look at the cold water, and it's coming in from the street here. So like anywhere along this area, along this section of pipe, will give me my fixture units. 281.5. So that's the cold water, and the hot water is, let's see, so the cold water comes in, it feeds the hot water heater, and the hot water comes out with so many fixture units that it needs to size the pipe, right? So it is 30 fixture units. Okay, so that looks good. That looks good. That looks good. That looks good. What was I gonna do? Okay, well, I could go to the chart and look at because the size of the pipe depends on the fixture units that is, or the load that it's going to carry, right? And let's see, am I going to look at that? Am I going to look at that? No, I'm not going to look at that. I'm going to look at the schedule, because looking at the where is the, this is, let's see. Okay. Yeah, I don't have this set up yet. This is not set up for me to go to that particular page. Yeah, I can't go to that particular page. I cannot. I could. No, I'm going to pause this. Where are we? Let's pause. Let's see. Did I resume? Yeah, okay. So minimize. So these are some notes I've been taking. And based on, let's see. That's the storm table sizing. I want to look at the water supply fixture units. Is it up here? Table, it might be 173. Here, let's go. I think I can go up here, go to page 173. Let's see what happens. And that is, I want to look at the chart. Where's the chart? Let's go back and look at size and curve. That's what I want. Page 368. So we go here and we navigate to 368. 36. Now slow down. 368. Enter. Yeah, this is what I want. This is what I want. This is what I want. Just because. Just because, just because, just because, just because, yes. So the hot water was 30 fixture units. So fixture units and GPM, all right? So it's about here. Hot water is usually the first curve of the Hunter curves. So it's about 20 GPM. So when we go to our sizing or chart to size flow, it was about 20, right? So, and the hot water is about, it can't be any more than 3, 4 velocity. So I think it's about one, let's say it's about, that's 1.25. It could be anywhere between 1 inch and 1.25. So in here somewhere. And let's see, what did hot water was how much? Yeah, 1 inch, okay. And the cold water, let's look at the cold water. Cold water, for that 180, or 280 fixture units. Let's go back to our chart. 280 fixture units. Let's go up, and let's see, 280. So we're off the chart in the enlarged one, but we can kind of look at second chart, and 280, 50, 100, 50, 200, 50, 300. So it's about here, maybe say 120, 40, 60, 80, 10. Say about 110 GPM according to Hunter's curve. And looking at that, we can go up 110 GPM. So it's about here, right? And for cold water, we can use, I think it's like no more than 8 velocity. So it's about right in here. So 2.5. Now let's go over some more. 2.5. 110. It's about in here, I would say. So it could be between 2.5 and 3. 3 inches of your pipe would be 2.5 to 3 inches, to be conservative on the conservative side. Or if you you need 3 inches, maybe you're going to expand some kind of expansion. So let's see, what did I use? Let's go back, and it is a 3 inch. Okay, yeah, I like that. I like that number. Not so conservative, but within our velocity. Okay, so that was just a check. Let's but what I want to do is, so everything checks out on the fixture units. So what we need to do, or what I'm going to do next, is to bring in that schedule. And it looks like it's not here, which is good, because you need to schedule your plumbing fixtures, and just to schedule your plumbing fixture connections and all that. So in order to do that, I need to insert a file, insert from file, and insert views from file. So we go here, here, and I need to find it, and I think it's going to be in my favorites, my template, and my schedule, and my plumbing fixture unit count. This guy. Plumbing fixture unit count schedule. That's part of the template that you should be creating. Okay, and let's open that. This is the plumbing fixture unit template schedule. Okay, so I'm going to open that, and showing all views, show all views and sheets, show schedule and reports only. Yeah, I like that. And click that. Okay, and say okay to this, and it should populate over here. It should go directly into this browser category, schedules and quantities. And the following types already exist but are different. The types from the project into which you are pasting will be used. Okay, I'm going to say okay to that. So it should, yeah, okay. Okay, here we go. That looks good, that looks good. Okay, the family view title. Okay, that's once it gets on the sheet. Yeah. I'm gonna cancel out of that. And looks like everything, I think it's 104 event. Let's go back and check. Overall, no, I wanna go here. 204, 281, yeah, 204. Let's go up 204. And the cold water was 284 and 30, yeah, 281, and cold water is 30, yeah, 30. I thought I saw something. Let's see. Hot water is 31.5. That is different. 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 What's going on? Okay, let's go back. 31.5. I have I know this is adding up right, so I don't need to count that. 10 times 0.75 times 22. Where's my calculator? No, why am I doing that? I know it's going to be 16.5. 22 times 0.75 is 16.5. Okay, so where's the disconnect? I know the schedule's right. I know the schedule is right. So I think that I'm going, let's see, how much time have I got on here? 17. I think that, let's go a little bit longer. Let's go here. Okay, so there's a disconnect somewhere. I'm going to filter out everything but the hot water. Let's turn everything off but the hot water. Okay. So I'm getting, what, 30? Is it 30? Yeah, 30. But I should be getting 31.5. So now this is the reason why we do this, because so I have to go in and check all of these. But I think, let's see. I think I'm going to do that next time, because I don't know. 30, what's that, 1.5? So it's probably coming from one of these. That should be 1.5. Yeah, but they're adding, because I know by this. That's 2.5. Okay. So I don't know where it is. It's in here somewhere. But I have to go in and try and find it. But I'm going to stop it here and come back to this the next time, because somewhere there is a disconnect. Okay, well, I will talk to you guys later.